Hello everyone, I'm Nikada Chitrawati. Will deliver a short presentation about teaching self-regulated learnings. As one of the important elements of 21st century teaching and learnings, self-regulated learnings is an autonomy of the students to manage their own learnings. In this case, students have a broad variety of choices of what to do and not to do in their life. Even though it takes primarily on the student parts, but I believe teachers play an important role in shaping or forming the students' learning habits. And to teach self-regulated learning, what I would like to do in my class is the first one, give the students a set of behavioral rules. Behavioral rules contains the do's and the don'ts that the student need to follow during or in my classroom. By having these kinds of rules, I believe that students will exposed to do things and not to do things in order to accomplish the learning task. The behavioral rules may consist of important things about for example, the student needs to be on time in the classroom, and then submitting the task on time, raise hand when they want to ask questions or express ideas, and also listen when somebody is speaking, and then the importance of giving a comment or discussions in a chat room or maybe in the comment board. And I believe that giving the student with sets of behavioral rules will work well when there is a consistent control and also clear punishment for disobedience. And then the next things that I would like to do is give the student meaningful feedback. Feedback is very important, since feedback gives the student a clear and a guidance of what they have done and what to do in accomplishing their task, and also give the student a clear value of what to do next after accomplishing the task or after doing a certain activity in the classroom. The second one is giving meaningful feedback will give the student a high motivations to learn. The motivations is very crucial in affecting the student's success in the learnings. And then the third one is meaningful feedback will make the student work harder to accomplish their task and to manage their time well in order to cope with some problematic issues that develop by the learning process. And the next things that I would like to say before proceeding to the next point is I like to give my students a feedback in form of emoji, and also combine it with voice note feedbacks, because I believe having voice note feedback, the student will more clear about what they need to do and what they have accomplished in regard to the learning assignment that I give. And the last points that I would like to do in my teachings about self-regulated learning is give more time for reflections. In this case, build an intense communications with the students and also with the parents. By having these communications, I believe the student will able to express any ideas, reflect the learning, and find out any solutions that may work in improving their learnings. And to wrap up, I believe that the three ways that I mentioned just now about giving the student a set of behavioral rules, and then um, giving the student meaningful feedback, and also build communications with the student and also the parents, will help the student to form their learning habits for uh, a better or positive self like regulated learners. So that's all that I can deliver today. Thank you. Om Santi Santi Santi.